Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute Girl graduate. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. But on the sides right here, it's going to be kind of straight, much straighter, and a little bit narrower because her hair is on her side. So her eyes are going to be very, very close to the side. So just keep that in mind and then go ahead and just bring it down and connect it. Just like the bottom of a U. And if you like, you can make the bottom a little bit sharper on the chin area. But right here, right in the center, and go back up. There. So it's, like I said, right here, it's a little bit straighter. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come to the side, right where we start, and I'm going to draw a circle, but it's not going to be a complete circle, so I'm going to start right here. It's just going to be really close and attached to the side right here. So same thing on the other side. So right here, so once again, same exact thing. There. So the two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Got a little bit sharp right here, huh? I'm gonna have to erase that a little bit. Now that I'm looking at my camera. It's supposed to be round. Okay, so we're doing the same thing on this side. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the side, and I'm just going to give our graduate here some lashes. So maybe just two that pop out on the side. And I'm going to come above her eye, so about right here, and draw her brow. So just nice little curve, soft curve. So same thing over here. And of course, let's give our graduate a smile. So in about this area, about right here. I'm just going to give her a smile and cap it off. There. Now let's complete her face. So let's bring this up a little bit more, past her brow. And I'm just going to come in here and thicken this up a tiny bit. I forgot to do that. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the cap. So I'm gonna, now that this part is pretty even, I'm just gonna come right here and towards the center, it's gonna go up a tiny bit and come right back down. And I'm gonna bring this out a little bit, not too much, because it is right on her head right here. And let's bring this up for the cap. So it's going to be a slight angle. And let's bring this up a little bit more. So we're going to start to draw the cap now. And we're angling, and then right here, just connect it with a high curve. Looks weird, right? What is she wearing? Okay, so then from there, let's finish the cap. So I'm going to come to the sides right here, and about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw an angle line. So same thing on this side. About that much. And I'm going to bring, if you like, I'm just, you know what, just put it in the center. Makes it a little bit easier. Create another angle line towards the center, and just go ahead and connect it. There. So it's basically a square that is skewed, right? Okay, so we have that in, and then before I forget, let's come right here and I'm going to draw a tassel. So bring in the curve, come down. If you like, put in a little circle for some detail. And then the tassel part. Just bring it nice, long, and zigzag at the bottom and some details if you like. There. Okay, we're gonna draw her hair to make her look better. It looks all weird now, right? Okay, but let's wait and draw her body first before we draw her hair. So I'm gonna come right here, right in the center. And I'm gonna draw her neck and bring down her shoulders. And same thing here. There. Now to draw her neckline. So we're going to draw her robe. So it's come down here towards the center. I'm going to draw two curves. And in between the curve, I'm just going to put in a curve for like a dress that's underneath. And let's finish this part right here. So connect it right towards the center. Some detail on the robe. So we know this hand is holding a diploma and this hand is holding a balloon. And so there's all this stuff in this area. So I'm just going to tentatively give myself a point, say about like where her armpits might be, because she is wearing a robe. So it's a little bit lower. So I'm just going to use that as my point and come down with two small angle lines so I know what I'm working with. So now that we have these two lines as a guide, let's come on this side and work on this hand. So I'm going to bring this down and we're just going to have to draw the sleeve of this robe. So everything's going to be a lot wider. So about right there, and it's going to bend. So let's come right here. And we're going to work on the sleeve area right here. So let's bend it about in this area. Right here. Bring in the curve and come down. So let's work on this hand. So this hand's going to come out right here in this area. So we have a line, and then we're going to work on the hand now. Come out with a little angle. And down. And so then for the finger area, slight curve and angle it in, and then we're going to just start to bring this down for the arm. So it's just a very simplified way to draw the hand, and so we're just drawing two little curves right here for indication. So now we can go ahead and finish the sleeve. So it's long, pop it out, so about right here. And connect. There. So then in this hand, we're going to put the diploma. So right here, we're going to tuck that in. So just tuck it right into this area. And come out here if you like. You can add a little ribbon. And let's finish this part right here on the arm. So come right here, draw some details. It's arm. To finish it off. Okay, so we finally have one arm in. Hope I made that a little bit easy to follow. I know it's a little bit complicated right here. And now to work on this side. So this side is a little bit simpler. We can just bring this down now. Finish the row. So coming out about right here. Okay, I'll stop there for now. And let's finish this line right here. Just connect it, just like the other side right here. And so now let's bring this down. So it's kind of bent, so come down, and right here it's going to be a little bit wider because it is a robe. So right here, come out with a curve. And once again, in this area, just draw a curve. Just like this hand, we're going to tuck in about right here. Just bring this out. So imagine this bending and a thumb. So arm. Okay, so now in this area, we're going to draw the hand holding. So it's a thumb. And then the fingers wrapped around the string. And 2 lines right here. And tuck in an angle and connect. From there, let's finish off the sleeve. So let's bring this down. And loop to connect. There. Okay, so then you can add some crease lines here if you like, some detail, and same thing over here. And some details on the robe. So say about right here, you can add a horizontal line and a straight line down the center. And some pleats here if you like. Just some detail lines if you like. Okay, so then now let's go ahead and finish the rest of the rope. So let's bring this down more. And about right there, I'll stop. And I'm just gonna wiggle my way across. And complete this line straight down. Yay! Okay, so then now to draw the legs. So come right in the center once again, and I'm just going to draw 2 slightly angled lines. And then from there, let's come right here. You're going to work on this side first. Just get thinner at the ends and then flare it out. And then right here, just add a curve for her shoe. So same exact thing on the other side. There, so we have the feet in. So then now we can finally work on her gorgeous hair and bring her to, make her very pretty, right? And bring her to life here. So let's work on this first strand. I'm gonna bring it down. And it's gonna come pop out right here. I'm just gonna add 1 strand right here. Some detail, and you wobble some hair right here. Give her hair some volume. Maybe some more strands here. And let's see, so now the other side, basically the same thing. Come right here. One strand, add more volume coming out. And finishing it off about right here, just tuck in the curve. And let's see, same thing, add some curves right here. Okay, so then space you have in here, just tuck it in. And if you like, you can give her some bangs to fill up the space right here. So I'm going to come like back right here, just draw in some strands. To fill up the space. Looking much better, right? Okay, so then from there, of course, let's have her holding a balloon. So come out right here where the string would be. So about right here, and have the string come through. Of course. And so I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to go straight up. So it's easier for me to draw the star from the top. So I'm going to say about right here. That's going to be the top of my star. And from there, I'm going to start to draw my star balloon. So I know I need to come back down here. So let's just go ahead. It's going to be really close to her. And bring it right back. There. So same thing on the other side. There, something like that. And then let's draw some details in here. You can put congrats grad or whatever you like, but if you want to do congrats grad, let's come about in this area, and I'm going to start to draw some bubble letters for the word grad. So I'll start with my G. And then an R. So I'm just going to stick it together because I don't have much room. And D right here, and an exclamation mark if you like. If you have enough space, then put an exclamation mark. If you don't, then don't put it grad. Don't put an exclamation. And then on the top right here, I'm going to write the word congrats. So in cursive, so CONGRATS. Yay! And then you can add some stars in here if you like, or some hearts. It's all up to you to decorate your balloon. And smaller one. I better stop before I mess this up. Okay, one more. There, something like that. So I think we're pretty much done, right? Yep, I hope so. And oh, where am I going to put a heart? Let's see here. Let's put it right here. So they're all done. Before I go, I wanted to say a big congratulations to all the grads out there. And I want to wish you the best on your next step in life, of course. And thanks so much for watching. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out, and I was able to make it a little bit easier for you to follow along and draw it as well. And once again, thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.